Hi, Spooky Ghost fam. In this video, we're gonna have a chill DIY time putting makeup on this creepy doll headlight behind me. This was the before pic, and this is what we're going to be doing. I used all my regular makeup to do this, so I hope you enjoy the DIY. This is my first one. I'm so excited to be getting into DIY. I have so many other plans for projects around the house and also fashion, so stay tuned. So the palette we're going to be mostly using today is the Simpsons Makeup Revolution palette. I chose this palette specifically because it is the most pigmented palette that I own, and you need the colors to be really pigmented so they stay in place for a really long time. Now, I don't think the primer really did anything. I got this idea because one of the biggest TikTok trends right now is putting makeup on these silicone faces. I'll put one of them up on the screen right now, and that's where I got the inspiration to do this DIY. I'm just going to continue placing that primer all over the lid of the doll's eyes. You want to do this for both sides, and you're going to want to make sure to clean your makeup brushes after, because objects like this tend to collect dust very easily. And let me tell you, my allergies were awful after doing this. I should have cleaned the doll head off beforehand. Noted for next time I try to do this if I want to like redo the makeup or something. Now I'm just taking this bright purple shade in this palette. I wanted this doll to feel like kind of ghosty, like very much like colors I would go to use, so it would inspire me to do my makeup every day. And just this purple is like the perfect Halloween shade. I'm just taking that and I'm putting it all over the doll's eye. I only wanted to use one color. I didn't want to like overcomplicate this in case the primer didn't work for this surface. Now I'm taking this Grape Shot palette and I'm taking the sparkly shade from this, and I'm just spreading that all over the lid as well. I thought this would be a really cool effect with this being a light and all. Now, how did I turn it into a light? I literally just bought these LED lights from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, and I just shoved them up there and it's plugged into a little USB that kind of runs down my vanity. This is where I felt like I messed up just a little bit. This eyeliner did not work good on this surface. Let me know a eyeliner that would though, and I might redo this because I don't think this is going to last very long. It was very smudgy, but I decided to do this really thick spider liner because that's all I could really get it to work when I started to realize, oh Lord, this is not working out right. After I was done with the base of the eyeliner, I did end up doing a little stitch detailing over this little indent right here, and I do not like this part. So next time I redo this, we're going to redo this over the course of our channel. I think it's a cool way to keep tabs on where we're at And yeah, I do not like that part at all. And now I'm going into this just highlighter shade. It's like a dual tone kind of green. It's very spooky feels. And I'm just putting that all over the lips because I want those to shine too when we put the lights back into the head. Let me know in the comments down below what my next DIY project should be, and let me know if y'all enjoyed this video as well. So till next time, stay spooky!